Ese live audience, ¿qué pasa? Ese live audience, no. Go.
Okay. So! Okay, hey, guys, what's up? I know this is usually my random skit stuff. Not random skit, random fact. But you know, I thought, hey, mix it up. Alright, sorry for no videos this week. This is actually why. There was a snowstorm in my area, and it knocked out all of my power. So, start off with the snowstorm. Right, I was explaining that. Where was I? I was explaining that there was a snowstorm earlier today, this week, so that's why there was no videos this week. And so, yeah, bam! Show the footage now! Seriously? You see this? This is snow, obviously. Oh! It's back. It's snow. Not cool. Snowing in October. No, not cool. Not cool. Okay. Oh, like a boss. Like... Wanna go down here? Should we go down here, B? Sure. Oh, shit. You didn't see that. I'm not sure if I got that on footage, actually.
You got that on footage? Now you
camera.
got snow all in your ankle.
I got snow on my ankle.
They're still freezing?
Yes.
Do you think they're gonna have like some sort of tree grinding up thingy?
Should.
They should. They just like put your trees at the corner
And we'll just come along
and we'll grind them up.
grind them up for you.
We should look into that. I should look into that. Because I don't know where to put the branches. I told Mrs. Forrest I'd take care of them, but I don't know where I'm gonna put them.
I'd burn them.
Burn them? We could burn them. Like the doghouse. Okay, this clip has gone on long enough, probably. Kumbaya. It is a nice Ford. Oh, my battery's dying. Crap. It's not really that dead. It says it's dead, but then it's not. So, yeah. Why can't we all be like this tree? Why can't we be friends? Oh, why can't we be friends? Yeah.
Squeezy, squeezy.
Squeezy, squeezums. Okay, anyway. We're having a man talk over here. Well, obviously we're not.
Sorry.
It's okay.
You get all nasty,
Gosh,
being so mean to me. Stop being so mean.
quit whining, Dave.
I'm not Dave, I'm dead.
Whatever.
Quit whining, Dan.
What? What? I hate crossing them.
You don't like crossing bridges? You gotta cross bridges when you come to them, dude.
I'd
Build bridges and cross them. You know
I'd
that
cross
saying?
bridges,
I think that's
isn't
how
that-
you say it, right? Build bridges. Bridges. Something with bridges and crossing. You know that saying, B?
What?
Build bridges and cross them? Or cross bridges and build...
people. There's certain people who build bridges and there's other people who burn bridges. I'm a bridge burner.
You're a bridge burner.
I'm a bridge burner.
That's terrible.
I hate that bridge.
That's a terrible thing to be. Did it creak or something while you were on it?
It cracked.
It cracked.
Like, I took one step onto it and it made a wood strain. I was like, okay, whatever. And then it started to crack and it gave out from under.
Oh,
I was
snap.
Like, yeah, no, never again.
Okay. I don't know what that saying is. Leave it down here if you know what it is. I forget. Something about bridges and crossing. My goodness gracious. Huh. My goodness. I can tell you right now, this ain't good. Needs to get fixed. I'm not sure if you guys can tell and see. See and tell. It's a branch on a power line. Yeah, that's not good. That's not good. That's not good. That's not good. How many times did I just say that's not good? Probably too many. Okay. Did I go in the previous footage that I showed you guys? That was great. I just woke up. Not like that really matters. So I saw this giant crane. Not giant. I'm not sure if you can even see anything. So I'm just gonna walking towards it. Am I zooming? Oh, I am zooming right now. Okay. Good thing my car doesn't have a license plate on it. Just gonna see, you know, what they're doing. Why is a giant crane necessary for tree removal? That's all, you know. That's all it is. Can you even see that? I can't tell. They're just removing this tree right here. That's a wall. I thought it was more like destruction, devastation. Oh, that's it. Oh, and oh, yeah. After that, I went to the store, Joann's, a fabric store. No, I don't sew, okay? Maybe I should. I'm not sure. Should I sew? Do you think I should sew?
I don't know.
You don't know. I don't know. This is why people are scared of clowns. This one's a little broken. There we go.
This is why people are scared. This one pops.
That one pops.
Yeah.
Oh.
So yeah. So that's it.
Yeah. I think it should be pretty long. I'm not sure how long it is. Anyways, tune in next week. And hope you liked my video. And bye. Okay, anyway. See, can I get you in here? Here you go.
It's my birthday and I cry if I want to.
If you like this video, hit the yellow button. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. If you like this video, I want you to subscribe. If you like this video, I will love you so.